Hi, I'm Larry Taco Jr., executive producer here at the Infographics Show. In less than 3 minutes, you're gonna learn how to create complex scenes like this using only Paint. That's right, I get thousands of emails every day thanking me for these tutorials, so I've decided to prove once more how easy it is to make these kinds of animations. This is truly the best time to be alive. We can guarantee you hundreds of millions of views. You just have to know the secrets. So let's reveal them right now, shall we? Alright, pathetic people tell you that you have to open Illustrator and carefully draw a scene for hours. But this is madness. What we do is far more efficient. Have you ever questioned, how can we upload multiple animations daily? Here's the answer. Step 1. Search for cheap stock illustrations and buy whatever tickle your balls. Let's do some shopping real quick. And done. Why spend tens of hours crafting a scene when you can buy the entire thing for a couple of bucks? I swear humans are so dumb these days. People who draw everything from scratch are the same people who put cereal before milk. Their entire existence was an evolutionary mistake. You see, these assets didn't cost much and we can reuse them over and over. Compare that to the profit we'll make and you'll know why this is the hottest business right now, hands down. Anyway, after gathering the assets, hire the cheapest guy you can find to do the voiceovers, so he can narrate our poorly researched script. Here's a perfect example.
So could this mean that your mom is gay? That's what we'll find out today in this episode of the Infographics Show. Is your mom secretly gay? Sponsored by Skillshare.
Alright, the voiceover is done. The illustrations are ready. Let's add some stock transitions and basic explosions to spice it up even more. The final step is to cook those ingredients in the oven. So let's open our favorite program of all time, throw everything in there, and select the animation quality. For those of you who don't know, in the latest version of Paint, you can choose your budget and a machine learning algorithm will take care of everything else. In our case, the last thing we want is quality. So let's select the cheapest option. The AI will do a slight arm rotation, a tiny movement here and there, just to show that we put some effort. And there you go, a classic Infographics Show's video.
So could this mean that your mom is gay? That's what we'll find out today in this episode of the Infographics Show. Is your mom secretly gay?
My advice to you if you're thinking about your next startup would be to follow our path. It's never been easier. Just create mediocre videos that appeal to a broad audience and enjoy those millions of views. Subscribe for more informative content.